Hey everybody, today I wanted to talk to you about Homebrew. Homebrew is the Apple package manager that will give you access through lots of software, useful software, through the command line. You do have to use the command line when using Homebrew, but it has a lot of benefits that you just don't get with the traditional GUI installation of any application. So with Homebrew installations, you don't have to download a DMG and then install it, see where it installs, and then drag it over. Nothing like that. It automatically knows where to install your applications, and it has lots of helpful applications that you can make use of. Alright, so let's get started. This is how you would install Homebrew. So you would open up your terminal like so. And then you would copy this command. And paste it here. Obviously, I'm not going to run it because I already have it installed. But it's important to do this to get Homebrew up and running. I would also recommend installing Cask. And Cask is a repository of a plethora of applications that you can use. I don't quite remember the installation command for casks, but there's no reason we can't look it up here. So let's look up Homebrew. My internet connection is slow. Let's see if we can get how to install a Cask. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. So here is a list of applications. This is just a sample of what you can install through Casks. So all you would do, for example, is type, once you install Casks, let's see how to okay, Casks. So you would go brew, install, Casks. Then you would run this command. Obviously, I already have this package with all its applications, but that's how to install it. And then you can use applications such as Topgrade. Topgrade, once you type it here, for example, Just watch me using Topgrade. Oops. Let me retype that. This app will ensure that your system has all its applications up to date. And as you can see here, it takes a while to check everything on a system. And then the way you'll know that it's done is it'll show you your default prompt. So your username and the time and things like that. We will try to install, as an example in this video, Superduper, which is a application that I don't have yet. I don't have a free drive to use Superduper with, but I see it here and I see that we can take advantage of it. And I'll show you just exactly how easy it is to install with Brew and Cask. And I'll show you some of my favorite applications as well. Now, since we ran Topgrade, it's now checking all my software to ensure that it's all up to date. We will try also installing Superduper, just so we can ensure that we have it. Even though, again, I don't have a drive to set up Superduper. I already use Time Machine. So okay, so it's already telling me that I should restart because it did find some software, but obviously I'm not going to at the moment. It's still finding available software. And this is just how easy it is to work with Homebrew and casks. If it was possible, I would go back and install all of the non-Apple software on my system through casks and Homebrew. It makes installing and uninstalling software super easy. Alright, so now my Topgrade is done. Let's try installing Superduper. So you would copy this command, brew cask install, and then I'm going to copy this name here so I don't misspell it. Superduper. And enter. Or return, whichever you wish. And that's how easy it is to install programs, software, through the command line. This is why I absolutely love Homebrew and Casks. Makes it super easy to install software that you might need. And the same thing goes with uninstall. You just basically type the exact same command that I typed up here, but you just put uninstall and then the program. So now let's look for the program that we just installed. Go down here, and here's the applications. And let's see if we can find Superduper. And here it is, Superduper. Now, of course, when I click on it, it's gonna ask me a bunch of questions because it was just installed. But that's how easy it is to install applications. Another important application that Homebrew allows you to install is YouTube DL. YouTube DL is basically what it is. YouTube, where you can download a video, any video that you wish from YouTube. So so here I already have it installed and tied to actually a Keyboard Maestro string. So I have mine set up to do something like this. You know what? Here we go. So I would type, and it would ask me the path, and I would give it any video. Let's go to YouTube first. And go to my channel. Although my machine is slow right now, I think because of the recording that's going on. My channel. Let's go with this one. I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, so now all I need to do is copy the URL. This will only happen with Keyboard Maestro. You all will need to type in the command that I'm about to show you right now. So, okay, let's type this again. So, and then, okay, so now, here's the YouTube DL command. So you type, after you have it installed, of course, installed, you type YouTube DL, -DL, -F for the format, which is MP4, which is the one I want, and then the URL of the video. That's a URL to one of my videos, of course, but that's how YouTube DL would work. So now, we've seen how Topgrade works, how U2DL would work, and how installing Superduper would work. And all this is done through the command line Homebrew and Casks. Alright guys, if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. Subscribe and like and share this video. Alright guys, talk to you soon. Thank you. And I'll see you with another video next week.